So what I want to know is the Icelandic model of validation includes close cooperation with all the stakeholders. How have you accomplished that? How have you been doing that to make the stakeholders involved in the process?
Well, in order for when a sector is in focus for validation, we always start by maybe one curricula at a time when it's against the formal curricula. So we always have to have the stakeholders involved when we begin the project in order to see what are the standards to be validated, what does the target group look like, where is the target group, and what is the value of the assessment, the validation on the labor market after the process, because we would not like to invite individuals to a process which will not be valid at the end of it.
But how do you avoid this validation process to be hijacked by the needs of the employers, needs of the industry, the formal aspect of validation?
Well, that's a big one. But when it's against curricula, usually there are teachers that assess in the process, so they are like assessing similarly to when they assess a student, and there's a certain limit that you have to have, a certain value that you have to have, like 50-60% in order to pass. So the same goes for the ones who study through non-formal and informal learning. And if that is valid for the labor market, it's even more valid when you have experience from the labor market.
And also we have very clear regulations about what is validation, what is it for, who is it for, and everything like that. So it's it's not so easy to hijack it.
And the stakeholders, they participate in setting the criteria for intake. So that's why it can be variable depending on sectors.